Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
Hi guys, making videos for my followers, and if you don't know me, I'm Ankita Mora and I'm a food blogger. So today I came in cake shop, and that cake shop name is Cake Leela, and it is located nearby BKB. So if you don't know, in case, so I will tell you. And after that they have completed 10 years of, like in Thane they have completed 10 years, but they have bunch of others cake shop like Belapur, Mumbai, and in other area also. So their timing is 10 a.m. at morning and midnight 12:50. So why I chose this cake shop, I will tell you. Because they make fresh cake and delicious. You will find this cake anywhere in any shop. But why I chose this? Because there are bunch of other cakes are there, but it is in fruit and mango. Like mango is seasonal, and later that rasmalai. So what happened exactly? So whenever we want to take that rasmalai in other cake shop, and it costed to us only 300 rupees, right? But the taste is not that much of good. Like that cake will be good, but there will be no any taste of rasmalai. But in his shop, that he sell that cake shop in 620 rupees. But I will take a guarantee that cake will delicious, and you will get the taste of rasmalai. And later there are bunch of other cakes. So I prefer to eat chocolate cakes. So there are couple of things in chocolate, so that is good. And you know what guys, see, whenever we go in other cake shops, you know that cake will be good, everything will be good, but what about quality, what about product, what about ingredient? So whatever they use in that ingredient, that is the good quality, and the taste is also good. It is not like, so they will go in that sweet shops and from there directly they will take. It is not like that. And suppose if you want fresh cake, so they have their kitchen. So what they do, they go, like you have to tell them before 30 minutes, otherwise immediately you can go. It takes only 10-15 minutes to cook that cake. Immediately fresh and delicious you will get. And suppose you are a cheesy lover like me, so for that you have to tell one day prior, otherwise you have to tell 6-7 hours before. Then they will, because it takes time. That cheesecake takes a time. The making process is difficult, and it takes too much time to make. So like whatever I told you, just follow that. And that manager is so sweet. All the workers were great, and they have 97 cake recipe. So according to your taste, according to your dependency, like which cake you like the most, like chocolate, rasmalai, mango, and there is ceremonial and dry fruits. So according to your taste and mood, like within a 10-15 minutes he will cook and he will bake for you that cake. And there are pastry also. And actually what they do, they don't when I saw their shop, so half racket was empty. Like he was telling, ma'am, if I have a kitchen, then if customer wants, then I should bake and he cook. That is a great thing, and that's why I like this most. And I will tell you the address. So it has located in BKB, and like you have to ask someone. Otherwise, you can see that PBZ jewelry. So from that jewelry, that you can see that Fake Meela, it has written. Don't worry, I will show you. Don't worry about it. And guys, if you're coming to Thane West, please must visit to this cake shop, because this will never disappoint. This is my swear, I'm telling you. And whatever food I explored in my previous video, those foods will never, like you will say Ankita has a good taste, and whatever she shared in her video, that taste, it is delicious, yummy, and make sure they are following the hygienic, because I am supporting those kind of food and street foods like no one has explored. I just want to explore them. I want to, because see, I don't want your follower, but you should support them. You should go after watching my video. You should go and eat their food. That will make you happy, because food are special, our first love, right guys? So I come for foodie. That's why I started to make food blogging, and currently I am exploring Thane West and East. So let's come with me. I will show you where it has located exactly. Like I don't want you should disappear somewhere. Like I want to show exactly where it has located. So be with me in video. So here are a bunch of things. So he will tell what is famous on his shop. So let's look. Okay, sir.
This is the most favorite cakes.
This one?
Since when we have opened this shop, this cake was there, and since last 10 years we are serving this cake. This cake is loved by everyone, and since
Okay.
last 10 years people like this cake, and we are still continuing with this cake. This cake is a fruit cake.
Okay.
And you can have multiple fruits inside: apple, kiwi, cherry, pomegranate, pear. So this is our one of the best cakes.
Okay.
And then this is a seasonal cake we have.
This one?
Yeah, this is strawberry, real strawberry you will have.
Okay.
And then this one is the rasmalai. This cake completely filled with the real rasmalai. It's a juicy kind of cake, really soft one.
Okay.
And
That's
this one is the salted caramel alone. This is a different caramel.
this one?
Right. This is a new caramel, and it's its sweetness is very much balanced. And this one is the faluda.
Which one? This one.
This
huh?
one. And these are the chocolate cakes basically. These are the complete chocolate Dutch truffle. This one is the chocolate chips. You will get a more chocolate as compared to Dutch. And if you like,
Can you tell me one more time this? Which one? Like that Dutch?
this one is the Dutch truffle.
Okay, that one.
Yeah. And this one is the chocolate chips. You will get a more chocolate as compared to Dutch truffle.
Okay.
These are not that much sweet chocolate. It's a very much balanced taste basically, and you will like to eat more and more this kind of chocolate. And in this particular cake, you will have a 3 types of chocolate: white, black chocolate, and then the hazelnut chocolate. And this is the light chocolate, smooth chocolate, and crunchiness it is there.
Okay.
And this is having the 2 double chocolate with the butterscotch filling inside. So you will get the crunchiness inside also. And this cake is having almonds and then strawberry, chocolate, cream, and you will get a different kind of taste while sharing this cake.
In this cake, right?
Right.
And here, like other pastries are there, right?
Yes. These are the smooth red velvet cheesecake pastries. And if somebody like to have more of vanilla and little bit amount of chocolate, you can go with this chocolate and vanilla. This is the cassata pastry. This gives you different taste. And this one is the Dutch truffle for specifically for the chocolate lovers. And the last one is the butterscotch.
It's looking quite fresh. So as a chocolate chocolate lover, you should try that pastry. That the name of that pastry is Dutch. So I have given my order. So let's try whatever pastry I have ordered. So he will tell something about that pastry. I don't know, because actually that manager, he has a lot of knowledge about cake, which is not everyone, I have seen, which is not everyone had. And that is the great thing. When you see whatever you are selling, you have actual knowledge about that thing, because you can explain others very well and you can sell it very nicely. So actually that is so great. Like, we need this kind of person who tell me more and more about that food, which is good, which is not good, and according to your taste. Like, suppose I like chocolate cake, so he exactly suggested me like which cake pastry I should eat, because I like chocolate. So that is something, sounds great, really.
See that after preheating for few seconds, the texture of the pastry is changed and the chocolate is start dripping. So
Melting.
nice. So it will give the best taste. I can try this. In serving this Dutch truffle pastry, we used to preheat for say few seconds in microwave. So that's why if we preheat it, then it will give the best taste of the chocolate.
Okay, then fine. So here I am taking my first bite of that Dutch pastry. Let's see how it looks. It's quite looking tempting. Like, I just wanted to try, because whatever he has told about this pastry, it sounds so great. So let's try. It is great. After heating that microwave, that cake has started to melt. And one of the best thing, literally, I'm having this cake. Wow, I love it. So if you are coming in Thane West, BKB, you must visit the Cake Leela. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you soon in my next video, next vlog. Till then, take care and bye everyone. Guys, I purchased 3 pastry and I bought at my home because I liked it most.